Hello friends, it's Reza. I am here with you today for the penultimate unboxing, second to last gift that we have in our 20 days countdown to Halloween. Today is day 19. Just in case you're new joining us and you don't know exactly what's going on, Therese from Beautometry sent me this giant box of packages, and you can see it's almost very, very empty. Just one more in there. So we are well on our way to the finish line, and but I will be broadcasting. I will be streaming also on actually Halloween at noon Central Time, because we have a giveaway. So just in case you missed it, my other videos are all the other days of the countdown are there on my YouTube channel, Reza Blade. But this lovely new Shrek plate, based on the dragon that Donkey falls in love with in Shrek. Oh, spoilers, or it's been out too long for me to avoid spoilers. Sorry if you haven't seen it yet, but you should definitely see it. Anyway, this is plate number 6. So it's a good one. Don't miss out on the giveaway. For you to join in the giveaway, you need to go to the International Nail Society with Beautometry Facebook group. I know it's pretty long, but it also means you're for sure you have the right group if you get that name. You're going to join the group, and then you're going to look for a message from me, one of my posts. It says that this is the giveaway post, so maybe, you know, search for giveaway if you have a tough time finding it, and you're going to ask me for a raffle number on the post, and I will assign you one, and I'll draw from those on Halloween. So that is probably the most housekeeping I have. Thank you all for joining me in this journey. It's been a lot of fun, and we've had a lot of exciting gifts. I just want to sort of jog your memory. We've had this gorgeous polish from Red Eyed Lacquer. Therese sent us this. This is just so beautiful. And I'll show you just another one real quick from Penelope Lou's. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. This one's called Witchcraft. Those are exclusive just for the box, and it's so exciting. Anyway, so here I go. Day 19 present. We are opening it. Ooh! Now see, I have talked to you plenty over the days about using these little baggies for inspiration, as well as filling them with candy for the kiddos. But I love this bag so much, I'm actually going to take a picture of it, because if that's not inspiration for a cute little Manny, I don't know what is. So let's see what's inside here. Aha! We have cuticle guards. Now these are vastly preferable in my book to what's the word? Latex, or the liquid latex that you kind of brush on around your cuticle area, so that you don't stain your, yourself while you are stamping. Well, these I like better because they're much easier to. You know what? I didn't read the instructions. I don't see instructions. I have these gloves on because I have a burn on my right hand. I don't actually know what I'm doing here. Isn't it cute, Sharon? Sorry, I didn't see your comment. This goes so much better if you don't have gloves on. I'm just going to warn you. I have gloves on and a tremor, and this is really annoying. We're just going to watch Reza flounder and tremble for an hour. All right. So I am actually guiding the finger right onto here, sticking the latex all around, and we'll see if that comes off for me. Help me. Okay, this is no longer cute. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm going to cut this here. The more nervous I get, the more my trimmer's going to act up. It's clearly wanting to stick to the guy. I think it's because it's plastic and not skin. I'm trying to make it work against its nature. If I just put it on my stupid finger, everything would be so much better. And now I broke one. But I really can't put it on my finger. Okay, this is frustrating. I can't put it on my finger, so I am going to cut here, and then what the demo is that I'm going to show you all is I'm doing a gradient. These little latex puppies are really useful when you're doing a gradient, because otherwise it's so frustrating to get all of that polish all over your skin. So let's pretend I applied these correctly. And I'm going to put the instructions in the description box for these once I have a chance to check on them. So let's free this little nail here. And what am I going to use to do my gradient today? Sorry about these fingers, by the way. I know that sometimes they creep people out. All right, what I'm going to use is these handheld sponge things. Some people use this sponge, but in my experience, it absorbs a lot of the polish. And I got these actually from Beautometry's My Mani Box, one subscription month, 4 years ago, 3 years ago, something like that. And ever since I used it, it was so awesome that I just never switched back. So I have these big bags of refills that I get on Amazon. But the original little set is from Beautometry, and it's so happy. So candy corn, which is my inspiration for my mani today. Candy corn is the second most favorite candy in the United States, which I don't understand it at all. It's supposed to taste like a combination of honey, sugar, vanilla, butter. But to me, it just tastes like sugar, corn syrup, and carnauba wax. It does have a lot of wax in it. But I'm a little slower than usual because that little episode with the latex kicked my tremor up, and I'm trying to be nice and neat. I'm using Sinful Colors white for the white at the base. It goes yellow. It goes yellow, orange, and then white. So speaking of my Mani Box, it's going to be the 4-year anniversary of my Mani Box for the next box that goes out called Fall Foliage. There's an extra anniversary gift for anybody who signs up for it by Halloween. So I took a little long doing this, so we'll see how this works out. But since we've got our latex on, we're not going to screw up our skin. And, oh, that's looking really good, actually. So let me show this kind of sideways so that you can see. You kind of go up and down and like a controller of a remote, like up, down, side to side to make that work out. It looks like this nail is so small that it's not giving me a good yellow coat at the bottom. So I'm going to do one more time. Now, when you do multiple pass-throughs for your gradient that you're making, you're going to want to give it about, at least 5-10 seconds, maybe more, between passes over, or what you're going to be doing as you blot that sponge over your nail, is you're actually going to be pulling up the paint if you don't give it a minute to let it go. And the coats will sort of dry, and then you can do the next coat. And sometimes when it's not going as well, you can really direct where the color goes. So this time, the only thing that I'm going to do is put on the yellow, because there's plenty of the other colors still in the sponge. Like I said, these sponges with their kind of open cell design are very good at depositing the polish on the nail. All right, so there is my candy corn, and I did put this down with all of the Wrath of Reza. So let's see if that comes off for me. All right, I did apply it poorly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mess it up because there we go. And we have candy corn. Once your gradient is down, then you're going to use whatever your quick dry top coat you're going to use. If you want to sign up for my mini box, as I was discussing it earlier, it is on Crate Joy. You can search for it on Google. You can also get there on Beautometry's website. I really love those like gradient candy corn manis during the Halloween season. And sometimes I put a face on mine. So here, did I have a plate? Yeah, I did. So I've got this generic kind of plate with all these little smiles and whatever. And just to sort of make your candy corn mani a little bit more fun, you can always put a face on it. Well, I hope you did enjoy this little tutorial. Those latex things are awesome. Do not mistake my user error with a faulty, application system. I'm just a little bit too fragile today to be putting those on. Don't forget, if you're watching this on YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Check out Beautometry's website, and definitely get over to that Facebook group to enter my giveaway. And I'm going to tease you with these two swatch sticks. Today, or very early tomorrow, I'm coming out with a Stamping Showdown video. Two things competing are the Sweet and Scary plates that Hit the Bottle came out with. It is available on Beautometry, and Maniology released a little one as well. So we'll see how that comes out. And be excellent to each other, I guess is all I have to say. Have an awesome day. See you tomorrow at noon Central.